Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe Photoshop CC 2022. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off overscrolling, which might be driving you crazy. I'm going to show you why you might want to turn off overscroll, and I'll also show you why you may want to keep it enabled. If overscroll is enabled or toggled on, and you use the Eyedropper tool to sample new colors. So if I double click on the color swatch, you see my cursor is now the Eyedropper tool. If you click to select new colors and move around and your document is moving all around the canvas like this, that means that overscrolling is on. I find that very distracting. So if you want to turn it off, all you have to do is go up to the top menu, click on Photoshop, Preferences, and go to Tools. So click on Tools. You see Overscroll is checked. If you hover your cursor over it, you'll see the tooltip says this allows the scrolling past the normal bounds of window. So if I uncheck that, click OK, and now I click on the color swatch. I have the Eyedropper tool, and now I can move all around. I can even go outside of Photoshop, and you see here that my canvas or my document stays in place. So why might you want to keep Overscroll enabled or turned on? So Overscroll is currently enabled or turned on. If I press the spacebar and activate the hand tool, you can see here I can move this image all around. This is particularly helpful if you're zoomed way in or maybe you have some dialog boxes out and you want to move this around to another place. Well, that is an advantage of having Overscroll turned on. If I uncheck Overscroll in the preferences or toggle it off and click OK, now when I enable the hand tool by pressing the spacebar, you see my cursor turns in the hand tool, but I cannot move the document. So if I open up that dialog box, the layer style, and I want to move the document or the image, I cannot move it around. If you like the ability to move your canvas all around whenever you want to, then keep Overscroll enabled. But if it drives you crazy every time you use the Eyedropper tool to select new colors and your canvas or document moves all over the place when you move your cursor, then go up to the Photoshop preferences by clicking on Photoshop, Preferences, click on Tools, uncheck Overscroll, click OK, and now when you use the Eyedropper tool, your document will stay in place. And that is how to toggle on or toggle off Overscroll in Adobe Photoshop CC 2022. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.